Hello, welcome to today's video. Now, I've got something here that's in a very big box and it is a mystery. Well, it depends when you watch this. It'll be a mystery to start with, but then I'll probably change the name of the video, but it won't be a mystery for some people, but it is a mystery to some of you. Now, these little numbers on the top here might give you a clue. Don't Google them. Don't Google them, that's cheating. So maybe you want to drop in the comments what you think it might be, then feel free. But yeah, this is part one of two videos that I'm doing with mystery boxes. But they're both sort of related, so hopefully that might give you a clue. So, shall we get into it? Let me just grab my knife. Now I suppose a further clue would be, it's really warm today and I don't fancy using it in this weather. I might do like a playing with video afterwards. So yeah, have you dropped your comments yet? Okay, let me know what you think it is. Now this is something I've never used before. I wanted for a long time and I've needed for a little while. Will it be given away immediately? Don't know. So what's in this box retails at around about £160. It's certainly not the cheapest of this kind of thing, but it's definitely not the most expensive. Ooh. So I think you pronounce it Yihua? Yihua? Don't know. That's probably giving it away to some of you. But if you don't know what Yihua is, then you're probably still in the dark, but it's going to change my desk forever, possibly. Let's spin it around. Oh, you nearly saw it, didn't you? You've had to zoom the camera right out, so the shot's a bit wider than normal. What is it? You can hear any shouting outside. My neighbours over there are having a housewarming party. It's a very sunny day and they're in the garden. I think they're playing beer pong. Okay, so this has given it away. What I've actually got here is a Yihua, I think, 853D USB 2 amp, and it is a soldering station, hot air rework station, and a DC power supply. Yeah, you know what this is. You know what this is. So we'll keep the instruction manual close by. Safety guidelines. Yes, that's probably a good idea. Thank you for shopping with us. Wow, what a box of goodies that is. What a box of goodies. I think I'm going to need like some sort of organisation station on here. Oh wow, I had no idea it came with all this stuff. This is a hot air rework station for working on printed circuit boards, and it also comes with a soldering iron as well, so you can do more traditional soldering. And as I said, this is one of two boxes that I'm going to be unveiling under two videos, and then hopefully going forwards, you know, there might be some content using them. So I've got to go through all the stuff because this is mental. Okay, so we've got some nice solder wick there, premium solder wick, no clean. Okay, so these are our different hot air nozzles. Got a square one and ones of varying sizes. Now guys, I'm really going to need your help with this and advice because I don't really know what I'm doing. I've seen like Vince, Phil the Coder, Tronics Fix, Sticks Fix. I've seen all those cool people making videos of repairing with these kinds of things, but you know, like temperature, airflow, I don't know. So I might need your guidance. Okay, so wow, look, nice load of tips there, tips. This is so cool. We've got some lead-free solder. Now I know we need leaded solder. Leaded solder is better. I've got some of that. Okay, I don't know what this is. This is a sort of stick and metal wire. Do you know what the stick and metal wire's for? Okay, and then we've got, look at these. We've got some Yihua little tiny tweezers. Excellent. And look, we've got a solder sucker. Desoldering pump, lovely. I honestly am surprised at just how much stuff is included. Okay, so this is our soldering iron base. So you just put your soldering iron in there and you can clean your tip, pop your tip in there, give it a quick clean. Lovely jubbly. Right, okay, we've got some power leads. So this is essentially like a bench power supply. It can supply power and obviously probably through these leads. So that is cool. Okay, so this is the actual soldering iron itself. Oh, that's nice, I like that. That's lovely. That's nice and little, it's compact. That's really smart. Oh, I'm well pleased with that. And there we go, it's got that sort of weird 6-pin connector on top of it. That is really nice, I like that. I like that, I'm so pleased with this. Oh, I think this clamps on the side of the unit to put our hot air gun on. Aha, talking of hot air gun, there it is, the old blowy guy. It's good. Now you've got to remember I've got tiny, teeny hands, but that fits quite well. Yeah, it's too hot for flipping hot air today, I tell you. So I think you're seeing this on Wednesday. And then the next video will come out on Monday. So you'll have to wait even longer. But if you do join this channel, you get to see it first if you join from the Kip early bird tier and above. So do that. Join the channel if you want to see what the second box is before anyone else does, before all the muggles do. But if you don't want to join the channel, then please do subscribe. It all helps. And even just giving a little thumbs up helps. It's all interaction. It's all good. Right, okay, so I think we're at the point now where I'm going to lose this box and get out this guy. He's a big boy. Oh, okay, so the power lead is separate. I didn't know if it was inbuilt. So it's just got like an IEC connector. There we go. I can't tell you how long I've wanted one of these for. It is just so exciting to have it. It really is. It is just mad. Because I started looking at that the sound bar, and I just knew that I just couldn't do anything with it with the tools I had. So I thought, if I'm going to start doing fixing videos on Fridays, then I need some proper gear. So this is a bit of, well, you know, it's not the best one you could ever find, but it's certainly not the worst. It's got pretty good reviews on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it. But we've all got to start somewhere, and this is my starting point. And I think Vince, from my mate Vince, used something very similar to this for ages and ages, and has only recently just upgraded. So, you know, what's good for Vince is good for me. Okay, so look at this. Right, I'll tell you what, let's bring the camera down so you can have a proper look at this. Okay, so you can turn the hot air on and off here on the top, and you can alter the temperature. Again, you can turn the solder iron on and off here and alter the temperature of that. You can put it in auto and manual mode. Not sure what that does. So the hot air rework gun connects into here, solder iron connects into there, and this is the airflow. So yeah, I don't know what the good airflow settings are, so please, if you know, then put it in the comments, because this is I'm going to need an army to help me with this. Honestly, it's going to be hard, and I'm not going to be very good to start with, but I want to try and I want to be good. Okay, so on this side, we've got the voltage dial that we can turn up and down, and it also tells us the amperage. And there's the button to turn on and off that power. Now that's interesting. It's got two positive terminals. So it's saying plus and minus DC 35 volts there. What does this one do? We'll find out. And I know I sound like a complete noob, but I am. And if we're going on this journey, I want you to all come along with me. So I think on this side, our gunny goes like that. Now what have we got on the back? We got anything on the back? No, we've just got a fan and the power connector. Cool. So yeah, this is kind of a new desk setup. Excellent. So something I've noticed is this, the resting bit that the hot air gun goes in is actually supplied the wrong way round. So I've had to unscrew the bracket and screw it back in the other way round. So that is how you make the dock for the hot air station fit the way it's meant to. So I was a little confused, but you know, that might help you if you've got one of these for the first time. And also, I discovered something else as well. I did a bit of RTFM. And so as well as outputting voltage through these two, you can actually measure voltage through these two. That's pretty cool. I like that. So yeah, that's good. And I've got to be honest with you, even before I've turned the hot air station on, it is absolutely roasting in here. So I think if you want to see like me playing with this and having a go, then just subscribe to the channel and there will be a video coming along very soon of that happening, because it's just not the weather to be blasting hot air around. But I'm going to get it all built up. And also I think I need some sort of organizer, you know, like a sort of old-fashioned pencil organizer or something to have on my desk. So I might do a little bit of Amazon shopping after this video. Talking about Amazon, if you want to go and have a little browse at my wish list, they're all bits and bobs that I've got in mind for future videos. Then you know, just if you fancy it, just buy something. Or if you want to help support the channel in another way, you go to merch.kitpates.tv. There's some lovely merch to buy. And yeah, any money I get from that, I just invest back into the channel to pay for stuff like this, basically. And I imagine I'm going to fall down a rabbit hole now of things I want. Okay, so hot air gun mounts in there, and solder iron goes in there. Do the tips? No. I thought the tips might go in these holes here, but I don't think they do. Or maybe they do. But yeah, there's so many different tips. They probably do if you stick the tip in.
That's what she said. Pam?
My mother's coming.
That's what she said.
Down here. And once again, if there's any noise outside, I do apologise, because neighbours are having a party. Yeah, I think my desk is going to need a little bit of reorganisation because of this, and indeed the next item I'm going to be showing you. So the connector for the hot air can only go in one way, and you have to screw it in. So yeah, this actually all feels really nicely made. It's a nice looking little bit of kit. Okay, yeah, everything goes in really well. Screw that in there. Excellent. I'm now a YouTube fixer, guys. Awesome. Okay, well, that's going to be it for this video. It's mostly an unboxing and having a little chat about things. But as I said, I've got another mystery box, which isn't too much of a mystery because it's actually got the name of what it is written on the top of it. So pretty much the game is over once you see the opening of that video. But that will be my next video, so that will follow probably on Monday. This is Wednesday. That will follow on the following Monday. So yeah, welcome to a different direction of this channel. But don't worry, I'm not going to just be repairing things. There's still going to be the usual random stuff that interests me, but I'm going to try my hardest to keep my tip clean, get nice and hot, and fix some things. Yeah, so that is it from this video. As I say, stay tuned for the second part where we'll be unveiling another mystery box. If you're smart, you could probably figure it out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But for now, it's game over.